Hey guys, welcome back. We are getting ready to cook chicken tenders, KFC chicken tenders. It's a copycat recipe, but oh so delicious. So let's go ahead and get busy. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make sure you have 2 to 4 chicken breasts and cut them into long strips. Cut them going lengthwise so that they will be long. Now we're going to go in for our marinade. Add in a cup of buttermilk and a little bit of hot sauce. As usual, guys, I will have all the information about the measurements and ingredients in the description. Give it a good mix. Then you want to sit this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so now that our chicken has marinated, we're gonna go ahead and get our spices ready. We've got 2 eggs beaten up, and I will have everything, all the ingredients and measurements in the description. So we have about 2 cups of flour here, and to it we're adding some paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, Himalayan salt, and baking powder. I'm going to give this a good stir. Okay, so we're going to take our chicken tenders right from the marinade. Make sure you shake any excess off into the flour, into the egg, and drip off again, and back into the flour. Then we're going to let them hang out on this tray for a while we get all of them done. And you just want to do the same thing one by one. So I'm going to go ahead and knock these out, and we'll be back. And guys, you want your temperature to be at about 350. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to just check it with a thermometer. So we're going to see if this is there yet. You want your temperature at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's see. We're at about 296, so we're going to give it a few more minutes to come on up to temp. And speaking of temp, this is a chef's temp thermometer, and I will be doing a giveaway on it when I reach 10K. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you'll always be notified and you won't miss that video either. Okay guys, let's see if we are up to temp yet. Okay guys, we're at 345, so we are just about there. And this is what you want your chicken to look like right before you get ready to fry it up. I have about 3 inches of oil in here. You just want to lay them in here. Do not crowd your skillet. You want to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes each, depending on how thick you've cut yours. You might need to go a little bit longer. So we're going to let these cook, and we'll be back. Okay guys, our first batch is pretty much ready to come out of here. Let's see. Look at how golden and crispy that is. Isn't that amazing? And what you want to do is sit them on a wire rack, and then you want to put them in a 250-degree oven and just let them sit there. Do not cover them up or they will steam and they'll lose their crispiness. They can actually stay in a 250-degree oven until you are ready to serve. That's going to preserve the juiciness as well as the crispiness. Some more in here. All right, we're going to keep cooking these up and we'll be back. also want to go in with just a little bit of finishing salt when they're coming out of the skillet. Now, while the rest of our chicken cooks, we're going to make a dipping sauce. You can't have chicken tenders without a dipping sauce. I like to keep it simple, so I like a hot and spicy mayo. So I'm just going in with a couple of tablespoons of Hellmann's mayo and hot sauce to my taste. Now, you might like yours a little bit more spicy or add some more hot sauce, or you might not like it as spicy, so don't add as much. Give it a good stir. Make sure it's mixed really, really well. Then you want to make sure you give it a taste. Make sure it's perfect for you. Yes, perfect. Okay guys, we are all done. Doesn't this look amazing? Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could smell it. And you know we have to taste this. Oh my goodness. Crispy and delicious, the flavors. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll always get my videos every time I upload one. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.